right. Stayed out on my grind. Got my sack right. Sack right. Sack right. Stayed down till I came home. It's being ass who, man, I been past you. Give a fuck about your questions cause nobody asked you. Not the type to talk, just draw and blast you. Open up your shell like a cashew. Ooh. You get that dog? That nigga had the sack, I had to get that jaw. Broke his ass off like a Kit Kat ball. He 100 miles a run, I can't spit that fall. Yeah, I pitched that raw, yeah, I kicked that dog. Did a whole lot of shit that I ain't proud of, y'all. But before mine starve, I'ma mount up dog and get the riding on y'all niggas like a Bronco star. Yeah, never fell off or felt I was too good to get them grams off. Malcolm X and his bitch by any means, y'all. I had a dream that my team was full of kings. Oh,
do this shit for my niggas on death row. Stop playing for a nigga, be death row. I let the runs go for a check though. Better check up for a nigga flex up.
Sack right, sack right. Stayed out on my grind. Got my sack right, sack right. Jesus, sack right. Stayed down till I came home. Sack right.
Niggas say I'm rapping, I'm a monster. These niggas who be rapping be imposters. I don't do the meat shit, just pasta. I be feeling so Jamaican like a roster. Drop the record in my city, I'm a masher. We ain't catching up now, moving past ya. We don't fuck with bitch niggas, we attack ya. Need Jesus for the pray with a pastor. We ain't acting in a movie like Gusto. You gon' wrinkle up my clothes, let my nuts go. We can get dirty, meet me on my next show. That's a good reason I'ma have to let go. How to met no nigga like you been hoe. D-Tech go, airway to Met go. Put shit down in and out the Met though. Stretch shit back from Cali out the Metco. Do this shit for my niggas on death row. Stop playing for a nigga, be death row. I let the runs go for a check though. Better check up for a nigga flex up.
Sack right, sack right. Stayed out on my grind. Got my sack right, sack right, sack right. Stayed down till I came.